How to sync your Facebook profile on Android device. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easy and quick way to sync your Facebook profile on Android device. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open the settings on your Android phone. Scroll down to the bottom and select Users and Accounts. Now on this section, as you can see, Facebook has already been here. So if you wish to sync your Facebook profile on Android device, select the Add Account button. And then here you have to choose Facebook. Make sure you already have logged in or signed into your Facebook account. And once you log into your account, you need to exit from Facebook. And as you can see that Facebook has already been appeared on this Users and Account page. Open Facebook application from here. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. You will see Sync Now option selected. And once you choose Sync Now button, your Facebook profile on Android device will be synced.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.